Welcome to the how-to video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we'll discover together how to set up and use the integrated telephone function in the Datatronic 5. To start, go to the entertainment page in the main menu and click on the telephone menu. You can connect one or even two phones simultaneously. Connect the first phone to the tractor via Bluetooth. The default code is 1234. You can change this code in the radio interface located in the roof. By accepting the contact synchronization, the name of your phone, its battery level, and the network reception quality will be displayed in the first box. Just below, you will find the last 6 calls made, received, or missed. At the bottom of this menu, 4 functions are available. Click on Volume. A progress bar will appear, allowing you to adjust the volume. Click on Call History. The call history page will display the last 20 calls made, received, or missed. Click the button to the right of a call to call that contact back. Return to the telephone menu and click on Contacts. The Contacts page will appear, allowing you to scroll through your phone's contact list alphabetically. You can also search for a contact using the search bar. Once the contact is found, click on Contact to the right of the contacts line. If the contact has only one number, the call will be made directly. If the contact has multiple numbers, choose the number to call. Return to the telephone menu and click on Dial a Number. You can then dial a number and start the call. When you receive a call on your phone connected to the tractor, the ringtone will play through the speakers and a pop-up will appear on the Datatronic 5 with the contact's name and/or number. Click Decline to reject the call or Answer to pick it up. You can also answer using the F1, F2, or F3 buttons if they are assigned to the telephone function, or by simply clicking the telephone button on the armrest. Once the call is connected, a mute button will be available on the Datatronic 5 pop-up to mute the sound. A reminder of the active call will also be displayed in the Datatronic 5 top bar with the call duration. Click on this reminder to hide or show the call pop-up. To hang up at the end of a call, click on the Hang Up button in the pop-up, or use the F1, F2, or F3 buttons, or the telephone button on the armrest. You can also connect a second phone. Connect it to the tractor via Bluetooth. The name of your second phone will appear in the second box. Click the Switch Connections button to swap the phones and use the telephone functions on the second device. One last useful point. Automatic connection of your devices can be activated in the radio interface. Press and hold DISP, scroll through the functions to AutoCon, then turn the knob to choose On or Off. You can also follow this procedure for many parameters, such as automatic answering of incoming calls. Now that you're familiar with the telephone function, it's your turn to try.